Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One Two Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to make a call in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now here we are in WhatsApp interface. Now let's go to the user we want to call. So let's go for this one. And in the top we can see these options. This one is for voice call and this one is for video call. You can choose any of them. So let's go for voice call for now. Now click on call and click on continue. Now we need to allow recording of the audio here. So let's click on only this time and click on continue. Now we also need to allow the phone call. So let's click and it's done. So this is how you can make a call in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.